well.
Absolutely. Over the next couple days, we've got a couple of maybe wrenches thrown into the forecast, but then we will be seeing beautiful conditions as we head towards the weekend. But just checking out the forecast right now, maybe a little bit less than ideal. We do actually have some rain falling throughout parts of the central coast, so let's dive into that right away. Right now at Avila Beach, a little bit more cloud cover continuing to make its way through the region, a little bit of dense fog as well, limiting those visibilities, about 57 degrees there. Not too cold across the entirety of the central coast. We do have a lot of cloud cover, and embedded in that, we do have a little bit of rain. So there's a very large system up to the north of us that's been really battering the Pacific Northwest for several days at this point. But importantly, it has about 2 large areas of rain associated with it. One that's very weak is actually crossing through our central coast area at this point, continuing to bring in some cooler weather alongside that as well. So you can see some of those showers there. Let's zoom in and look at what it actually means for our communities. Right now, we are continuing to see there's a final section of this storm system pushing its way towards Atascadero and San Luis Obispo at this point. Seen pretty significant areas of some light rain throughout Morro Bay, Los Osos, and Cayucas over the last couple of minutes, continuing to see that push farther into the interiors at this point. We are expecting to see rain in areas including Paso Robles, Atascadero, as well as down the Cuesta Grade into San Luis Obispo over the next couple of minutes. That's going to continue to push on shore pretty quickly, so it's going to be a very quick moving system. Thankfully, we're going to be seeing clear conditions later on today. We're continuing to keep a close eye on that. Looking at the future of this storm, right now we do have this area of instability mainly in northern San Luis Obispo County. Also a few areas of some light rain expected in the next few minutes in the Lompoc area. Those are much more minimal, but we're still keeping a close eye on it. That's going to continue to push down into the San Luis Obispo area over the next couple of minutes, even making its way into the Pismo Beach and Five Cities region over the next few minutes as well. But by about 10 a.m., we'll be seeing all of those rain chances clear out, but still a lot of cloud cover is expected throughout the region for today, clearing out pretty slowly, but then beautiful conditions are expected as we head into this afternoon with abundant sunshine throughout much of the central coast. Still seeing a little bit more cloud cover, especially in those areas that are a little bit more used to more of that dense fog. Dense fog will build in once again by this afternoon. Also a few chances for some rain in the Cuyama Valley later on this afternoon, but then clearing out pretty quickly as well. So there are some rain chances. Thankfully, visibilities are pretty decent at this point. A few patchy areas of limited visibility this morning as well. Checking out your forecast with those temperatures: 73 degrees today in Paso Robles, 70 in San Luis Obispo, 69 degrees in Santa Maria and Lompoc, and 74 degrees in Santa Barbara for today. Checking out that 7-day forecast, we'll be seeing cooler conditions once again for tomorrow, so falling a few more degrees as a cold front pushes through our region, bringing us some more cloud cover as well. But then we're going to clear out and stay pretty mild all the way through this week, but then into the weekend we will start to see a little bit of a warm up with more sunshine expected as we head into the extended forecast. Neil, back to you.
All right.